To fix Pokemon game sound problem easy and quick. So guys, today we show you how to fix this problem. Let's do it. So open the settings of your device first. Click on apps option and search for Pokemon. Click on it like this, scroll down this list, click storage, click clear cache and back. Click right now at force stop and click OK. So after doing this, go to Play Store or App Store and update your Pokemon. Start now your device and that's all. So if you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe and bye.